CUET PG 2023 application process started on March 20. The process is completely online and candidates must fill the form carefully. Otherwise, it may result in the cancellation of the candidature. This video by shiksha.com brings the step-by-step procedure to fill out the CUET PG 2023 application form. The first step is to visit the official website of CUET PG 2023, which is cuet.nta.nic.in. Click on the Registration for CUET PG 2023 tab. The tab will lead you to the Registration for CUET PG site, and again click on the tab. This will open the main online registration page. Click on New Registration, which is shown on the left side of the page. Read all the important instructions and guidelines for submission of the online application form carefully, and click on the check-in box and then click here to proceed in order to register yourself first. For registration, candidates need to fill in all the details asked on the portal, like candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, nationality, and the other details asked. Also, create a password for the account you are creating and then enter the security PIN and click on to submit. Upon submitting, again check all the details filled and click on the check-in box of the details and then click on the final submit, and also click on Send OTP tab. After filling in the OTP sent on your registered mobile number, you will receive a registration confirmation along with the application number. Now, candidates can proceed to the remaining steps of the application form. After adding the contact and personal details, the next step is updating the Aadhaar card. Candidates can choose any one of the three options given here and click on the check-in box, fill in the security PIN and submit it, and move to the next step, where the candidates have to choose the subject for which they want to give the exam for, and also select the two preferable exam centers. Fill the family occupation security PIN and move to Save and Next. Now, the candidates have to select the medium of the examination along with the university in which they want to apply for. After filling in the details, enter the security PIN, click on Save and Next. In the next step, education details are needed to be filled. Fill the class 10th, 12th and graduation details like pass status, year of appearing, board name, roll number, and number of marks obtained. After filling these details, enter the security PIN and move to the next step, where additional qualification details are asked. If you have passed any national level examination, then fill the details, or else enter no and move forward. The next step is document upload, where candidates need to upload their photograph in JPG format only, with the document size between 10 to 100 KB. For candidate signature, the document should also be in JPG format with the size between 4 to 100 KB. Enter the security PIN and click on Save and Next. Before the final submission of the application form, check all the details once again and carefully click on the final submission. The system will also ask to verify your mail ID, so kindly do that as well. Firstly, enter the security PIN and move to the next step where OTP is to be filled. Save the details here and proceed to the last step, which is fee payment. Click the final amount and select the payment mode and complete the payment process. After successful transaction, you will receive the application confirmation on screen. Download and print the application confirmation. This was all about CUET PG 2023 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best.